Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and in this video I am going to tell you the best time of the year to appear in IELTS exam. Well guys, now you see IELTS is being shifted very quickly from paper delivered to computer delivered. In some countries it has already happened, in some countries it is going to happen, and eventually in 2025 IELTS will be completely shifted to computer delivered IELTS. They call it IOC, IELTS on computer, and IOP is going to vanish for good. IOP means IELTS on paper. Today I'm conducting my mock test as well. Just there I've got my IELTS auditorium, and the students are having their IELTS exam, and it is paper delivered IELTS, and I was thinking that paper delivered IELTS is going to finish, and I was feeling sad because paper delivered gives you the feeling of the exam, and now it is going to be shifted to computers. I was a bit sentimental, okay? Computer delivered is good as well. Now, what is the best time to appear in IELTS exam? Now we have computer delivered IELTS. For computer delivered IELTS, IELTS will depend on your luck as well. How? You know, when it was paper delivered IELTS, same test was observed, same listening test, same reading test. So these tests were observed in countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, UAE, Saudi Arabia. With the same time zone, they had the same reading test, same listening test, and all that. So there, like, you know, for all the students, if the test reading was difficult test, difficult means more type B questions and all that. If reading was difficult, it was for all the students, okay, all these countries. But now when you appear in computer delivered IELTS, even your listening test is different from the listening test of the person sitting next to you. There are different listening tests, there are different reading tests. So if there are 10 students, out of 10, it is possible that 1 or 2 students, they have complex reading, complex listening, but most students, they would have easy listening, easy reading, and all that stuff. So now that thing, I mean, if like in the past, students used to say 10th August IELTS reading was extremely difficult, 27th July IELTS listening was extremely hard, and this and that, but now it's not that. So when you appear in IELTS exam second time, again there will be entirely different test and all that stuff, okay? So this is going to be good thing. So considering all these things, if we talk about speaking, IELTS speaking examiners, they actually update their cue cards quarterly, right? For listening, reading, writing, you can appear in IELTS exam any time of the year without any problem. But if you have issues with speaking, and I mean, you want to see the cue cards first, you want to see speaking part 1 topics first, as we have these topics in this book, okay? You want to see them first, then I would advise you to appear, not to appear in IELTS exam from 1st to 15th January if you have issues with speaking. If your speaking is okay, you have no problem, if they give you a new cue card and you can speak on that without a problem, then 365 days of the year you are good to go and appear in IELTS exam. But if you have issues with speaking and you want to see the cue cards, you want to prepare them in advance, you want to go through them so that you could perform well in your speaking test, then from 1st to 15th they actually ask those updated questions, they give updated cue cards, and then we get them with the help of our students, and then we make this book and all that, okay? So 1 to 15th January you need to wait. After 15th, once the new topics are out through these books, then you can just appear. Second time is May. May is the time when they have new topics in part 1, new cue cards. So from 1st to 15th May, if you have issues with speaking, then you need to wait. Either you can do it before 1st May or you can do it after 15th May. And finally, we've got September. In September also, they update their speaking topics in the first 10-15 days they administer those cue cards to the candidates and speaking part 1 topics, and once they are out after 15th, you can just get a list of new cue cards and list of new speaking part 1 questions and topics as well. So if you have issues, then 1st January to 15th January, 1st May to 15th May, 1st September to 15th September, you should wait. Either you can appear before or you can appear after. But if you are confident, if you have good speaking skills, then all the year is good for you to appear in IELTS exam. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world. In campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS test booking service all over Pakistan. There is a link in the description with the phone number of our IELTS test booking manager, who will guide you how to book your exam and the benefits that you get after booking your IELTS exam through us. You'll get some benefits as well in the form of some study plans and some books, so they are going to help you as well. Thank you so much. We offer IELTS study plan, paid study plan. If you could not prepare for IELTS actually, or if your preparation is incomplete, this study plan with a little administrative cost will help you prepare for your IELTS exam. So just WhatsApp us and we'll get back to you with full information about them. And these study plans and PDFs and all these things are available globally. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.